Terror, hear me I say. If you don't ask, you don't get. Give me a shout out, my G. Give me a shout out. Your sister me over here put in the work. Your sister me over here put in the work and you watch your reaction them when they come on to Silk Boss. You watch them. So get the G a shout out, brother. You understand what I said to you? Make up yourself, my G still, but you don't know. Link me up, my G. Link me up, shout out. That's what I think. If you don't ask, you don't get people. You see me? One and watch the other. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. What I did it. They are getting up people. People don't mind the steering wheel. Steering wheel is because I do a lot of streaming. I do American Truck Simulator. I drive my truck. Don't worry about that. So today we there for react to Silk Boss. Bad Gyal. Silk Boss not miss yet, you know. Silk Boss not miss yet. Silk. You know you watch your reaction them with G. And you probably look out for that one, yeah? Big up yourself. You see me? You not miss yet with G. Terror. You watch your reaction them to me J. Big up yourself. The team not miss yet. The team not miss yet. So high expectation is here. High expectations. High expectations, sir. So we can jump in on one and see what I go on. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Turn it up! Turn it
She call my phone and I tell me say she don't want you. Bad man she want fuck because she don't want love. And it's stay in her hand because she want fuck. And she like I've gone. I ain't no stop at them.
How we attack? Silk Boss, how we attack this? I wish nerd that. Eh? I wish geek that. Hmm? I wish nerd. That girl she want in her hole, she like that. Different song that, but I see.
She call my phone and I tell me say she don't want you. Bad man she want fuck because she don't want love. And it's stay in her hand because she want fuck. And she like I've gone. I ain't no stop at them.
Yeah!
I know she on it. Cause every night when I'm gone she a call me. Want give me punani cocky up and she pass it. Open up her roll and me a stop it. Bad girl I'm type. Where sucky cocky I don't know if you heard when I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking a light. Yeah.
Yeah, big up the girls them who like bad man. Big up the girls them who like bad man. But big up the girls them who like good man too. When I say good man, I mean, you know, man them will go work and forward back in and abide by the laws of the state and the city that they're in. And the country that they're in. You know what I mean? Laws of the land. Yes. But big up the bad girl them, see them way too. Big up every girls. You see me? So I want nobody come in the comment section again and tell me about me justify what the artist them say. Oh no move with them bumbo clat. I react to the people them song. One, two no. Don't get me dark all when the light on. The boss just use a line so I can use it too. You hear me? Don't get me dark when the light on, brother. Let's go.
Very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking a light. Yeah, bad girl I'm type. Let's okay cocky, I don't know if you ride when I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark when we are fucking alike. Yeah. Bad girl with a matic when I want nobody just want so cocky for no reason.
Bad girl with a matic when I want nobody, we just want so. Yo, alright. Like get a tick like my grandmother clock. Like get a tick like she drinks cement soup. Like get a tick, tick. Like tick.
Bad girl with a matic when I want nobody just want so cocky for no reason. So me catch it on the bonnet and me dig it and me ram it. Hey girl, man I fuck you with a meaning. I the Jordan take off, she pussy so fast, she body tough ass, so sit down pan that. Me know you laugh, me know say that, so cock me balls, me give her my heart and give her my...
When the boss find the flow there a while ago, him switch it up quickie, man. When find that a while ago, this up.
Girl, man, I fuck you with a meaning. I the Jordan take off, she pussy so fast, she body tough ass, so sit down pan that. Me know you laugh, me know say that, so cock me balls, me give her my heart and give her my heart. Yeah, bad girl, I'm type. Where sucky cocky, I don't know if you heard when I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking a light. Yeah.
All when a girl sang the man video them dark, brother. Everything just dark, brother. I when a girl song, I when a something for the girls, them the video them does that. Yo, they got the production team behind that one, I can't.
Yeah, but girl, I'm a type. Let's go kick cocky, I don't know if you ride on a bike. She wanna very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark when we're fucking alike. Yeah, you I hate that cause she love you, I ain't even know that. She give her heart and then I treat it like a roller coaster. So every day she in my room, I no stop and fuck that. If I violate, I know me, I go fire 30 gunshot.
Yeah, idiot, because she love you and you don't even know that. Or she love you when she give you something. She give it away. I'm free. Terror, hear me a G. No bother, Terror. Big up yourself, Terror. Done!
You I hate that cause she love you, I ain't even know that. She give her heart and then I treat it like a roller coaster. So every day she in my room, I no stop and fuck that. If I violate, I know me, I go fire 30 gunshot. Everywhere she go, I go boogie like a road. Girl, I go see in your shots and I show up. Which one are you?
Hey! Yo, the master stop switch up him thing then, brother. Yo! Now it's a different thing in the dark. I'll be a 4th verse when I get to that song, you know? Yo, the man get dark while ago. Look on him eyes them again.
She in my room, I no stop and fuck that. If I violate, I know me, I go fire 30 gunshot. Everywhere she go, I go boogie like a road. Girl, I go see in your shots and I show up. Which one are you? Tell her why you want know. She for just pull her clothes, cocky up in your wall. Bad girl, I'm a type. When so cocky, I don't know if you heard but I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking alike. Yeah, bad girl, I'm a type. When so cocky, I don't know if you heard but I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking alike. Girl, your pussy carry magic. No gun fi do no shotting when she sit down pa me cock it make me happy. Like a Kawasaki. Body revving and she pass it through me. Something dark when we are fucking alike. Girl, your pussy carry magic. No gun fi do no shotting when she sit down pa me cock it make me happy. Like a Kawasaki. Body revving and she pass it through me bucket full of porridge. When me stab it, she a say she could do manage. Would ramming and she belly like traffic. She run go tell her friends say the silver savage.
That's it, would ramming her belly like traffic. You know, rush hour all 4 or 5 o'clock half a tree ram up in a traffic, you know. You see me? I saw the yo. Would ramming and she belly like traffic. She run go tell her friends say the silver savage. Pussy get the malish, beat it like when slavery abolished. Yeah. Bad girl I'm a type. When so cocky, I don't know if you heard but I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking alike. Yeah, bad girl I'm a type. When so cocky, I don't know if you heard but I bike. She wind up very fast and do the things I'm like. And I tell me something dark and me a fucking alike. Yeah. Bad unbuckler. Bad song over Yasso. Bad song over Yasso. Bad song. Silk Boss, big up yourself, me G. Bad song over Yasso. Because the bad girl them like me tell in the earlier part of the video. Because the girl them don't see them like them good man too. Because the bad girl them too. Because the bad girl them. Yeah, bad man she like. It's okay. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So big up them type of girl them. Terror, hear me I say. If you don't ask, you don't get. Give me a shout out, my G. Give me a shout out. Your sister me over here put in the work. And you watch your reaction them when they come on to Silk Boss. You watch them. So get the G a shout out, brother. You understand what I said to you? Make up yourself, the G still, but you don't know. Link me up, my G. Link me up, shout out. That's what I think. If you don't ask, you don't get people. You see me? One and watch the other. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself. Anyway, song bad, none of fault. Video dark, even though a girl song like it, once again him no miss. The expectation for Silk Boss is so high. If he miss, when he miss, me I go tell him. When he miss, for me, I go tell him. I go say, brother, that miss. Load that. Left that. Go back over this so. Load that lane there. Yeah, where they miss. Me still wait for a weed song though. Hopefully one on the pipeline somewhere. I wait to get flush out, but me still wait for a weed song, me G. Because me see about weed them in the video and thing. And me see about weed so. Wait for a wead song still. I don't know. That one a bad still. I want your bad. So this one I'm gonna leave the one, guys. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next one.